Shenzhen Kingwire Electronics Co. Limited, established in 2009, and is located in Shenzhen, Longgang, with convenient transportation access. Our company covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has 81 employees. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Our company has rich experience in the cable manufacturing industry. With a strong in-house R&D team, we provide OEM and ODM service. Our main products include patch cord, fiber optical cable, Lan Cable Telephone Cable, module and patch panel, and other accessories products. With more than 10 patents of independent research and 2 trademark as well as development products, our products comply with international standard. The products have been sold directly throughout the global country. For example, they are exported to UK, Germany, Hungary, Poland, the United States, Australia, Japan, South Korea, and Southeast Asia. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please feel free to contact us. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together. Thank you.